Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google Search has a feature called AR Overviews, which is part of the Search Labs, which we have spoken about previously on the channel, that, as the name implies, if you do a search, for some searches it gives you an AR-generated summary at the top of the page, and then you get your normal search results below that. Now, if you want more info, just do a search accordingly for AR Overviews on the channel. Now it seems that Microsoft is wanting to take the AR Overviews one step further. And currently, if you do a search in Microsoft Bing, you get your search results, and then you've got your Copilot toggles, which you can click on, which then obviously takes you over to copilot.microsoft.com, and you can ask AR, obviously, to give you a response to your actual query or your search. So that's how it currently is in Bing Search. Now, as mentioned, it seems that Microsoft is wanting to take the Google AR Overviews one step further and is testing a Copilot-powered search interface that apparently removes the blue links, the so-called traditional blue links you get in your searches, in favor of AR summaries. And this is according to sources familiar with the development as posted by Windows Latest. And I'll leave the article in the description, where Microsoft is working on a native AR interface that integrates AR into the search results page. And as you can see, no blue links like we currently get. Now, apparently this has been tested in some countries. So it's currently been A/B tested by Microsoft, so it hasn't kind of made it out to the general public across the board. And it's different to the normal Bing search, where Bing's AR search will summarize everything it finds on the website. So if we head back to the first image, it'll have citations at the bottom of the answers, as we can see, under the heading Sources section. And some answers will also have links to the actual websites. So that's basically the difference. And as you can see from the GIF provided, it basically summarizes what it's doing on the go. So it's giving you almost real-time answers. And something else that's quite interesting is, if we head to another image provided, if you click on one of the links at the bottom, you can see those links at the bottom, you'll see the normal Bing search results with blue links. So yeah, you can see if you click on any of the links provided, it'll just take you back to the normal search with the normal Bing generated search results. And you can also apparently ask follow-up questions using Copilot. So it's basically a Bing search results in real time using AR. So very much still in its early stages of development. And I have seen a couple of reports doing the rounds online regarding this new AR search results, or what they're calling an AR interface that could be coming to the Bing search. But like all these new features, I'll keep my ear to the ground with this. And if I get any more info, obviously, I'll try and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.